Hi guys, Shekhar Devane Banu Group presented by ST Banuchandar, STB Groups, Tirunelveli. STB Groups, this is group info. Anybody want to see my Facebook ID, Shekhar Devane Banu company name, and online education free. These people only help me to do this channel, so I thank him very much. Anybody want the brief information, go to my Facebook ID and Google Plus. Types of mountain: fold mountain, block mountain, and volcanic mountain, and residual mountain. Fold mountain are mountain that formed mainly by the effect of folding on the layer within the upper part of the earth crust before either plate tectonic theory development or the internal architecture of thrust belt become well understood. The term was used for the most mountainic belt such as example Himalayas. Himalayas are like a folded mountain. They are continuous as folded to form chain-like structure mountain. This only the fold mountains region. They are folded and to form continuously mountain. Fold mountain in India are Himalayas ranges. Himalayas range are called as the folded mountain region. Block mountain, fault block are very largest of blocks of rock, sometimes hundreds of kilometers in extent, created by tectonic and locally stressed in the earth crust. These fault blocks form landforms or mountain hills, ridge, lake, valley, etc. are sometimes formed. In northern Caribbean is the basins of the Narmada river in India between the Vidya and Satapura hosts. Block mountain are formed in this region only. Faults occur in between the two land. It's depend upon sometime it's happen kilometers, sometime it happen meters level due to tectonics and the pressures or stress level in the interiors of the earth crust. Block mountain in Vidya and Satapura's region occur in India. India block mountain are founded in Vidya and Satapura region. Volcanic mountain. A volcano is erupted in the crust of planetary mass objects such as the earth that allow hot lava, volcanic ash and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the surface. The word volcano is derived from the names of volcanoes, a volcanic island in Alien's island of Italy, whose name in terms come from Volcano, the god of fire. In Rome mythology, the study of volcanoes is called volcanology. The molten magma comes ejected into the surface of the earth to form the mountain is called volcanic mountain. The formations of volcano mountain: first, magma is melted and ejected into the outer surface or layer of the earth surface to form the mountain is called volcanic mountain. This is the picture of volcano mountain. Residual mountain are remnants of the old mountain which they have worn down by agent of denudation. They are usually hard resistant rock that are laid standing after surrounding area have been reduced by agent of the denudation. Residual mountain, the surroundings are denudation and the remaining rock is called residual mountain. They are very high resistant. The surrounding is destroyed by denudation process. The remaining mountain is called residual mountain. Type of plateau: tectonic plateau, volcanic plateau, and dissected plateau. A plateau is a flat elevated land that rises sharp above the surrounding area on the at least at one side. Plateau as occur on every containing and take up of a third of the important plateau in India are Deccan Plateau. In between the two mountains there was some surface flattened region is called as the plateau. After the two mountains there was large area flattened region is called plains. Then after you come to the end there was seas. This is called as the sea level. The plain surface in between many mountains, this region is called as the plateau. A volcanic plateau. A volcanic plateau is formed by numerous small volcanic eruptions that slowly build up over time, forming a plateau from the resulting lava flow. The lava flow between two mountains and to form the plateau. This plateau is called as the volcanic plateau. Tectonic plateau. The plate is cast by slow collisions of tectonic plates. The tectonic plates form the plateau. This plateau is called tectonic plateau. two tectonic plateaus collision with each other and form some mountain. The remaining portions is like a flat surface. This flat surface is called plateau. The tectonic plateau example India plate and Tibet plate that collision to each other and form the Himalayas ranges. The Tibet plateaus is formed in tectonic plateau way only. A dissective plateau formed as a result of upward movement in the earth crust. A dissective plateau is a plateau area that has been several eroded so that the relief is sharp. Dissective plateau means erosion is a main important to form the dissective plateau. Without erosion there was no dissected plateau. Example, one mountain is erosion and form the plateau. This plateau is called dissective plateau. Now see the picture. There are several mountains. The mountains are eroded by denudation agent. Later it forms as the plateaus. This plateaus is called dissected plateau. Types of plain: structural plain, deposit plain and erosional plain. Plain: in geography a plain is flat area. Plains occur as lowland and at the bottom of valley, but also on plateau or upland at the high elevation. Plain may have been formed from flowing lava deposition by water, ice, wind or formed by erosion by these agents from hills and mountain. The flatter large landed, this large landed flatter land are called as plain. Plains in many areas are important for agriculture because where the soil were deposited as sediment, they may be deep and fertile and the flatness facilitates mechanizations of crop production, or because they support grassland which provide good grazing for livestock. Some plains deposits of an important minerals like silver, platinum, diamond, gold and coal, etc. So plains play important role in economical level. Structural plain are related undisturbed horizontal surface of the earth. They are structural depressed area of the world that make up some of the most extensive natural lowland on the earth surface. The structural means, structure means there was some structure to deposit in the plain. The structure is called as the structural plain. Now you see the plain is regularly arranged some structure. This some structures is occupied in the plain. These plains are called as the structural plain. Erosional plain have been leveled by various of agents of denudation such as running water, river, wind and glacier, which wear out at the filled surface and smoother than. Plain resulting from the action of this agent of denudation are called peneplain, almost plain, while plain formed from wind actions are called peneplain. Erosional plain means hard surface is erosional and form the smooth surface by the denudation agent like running water, ice, glaciers, etc. This ice, water and glaciers, this formed erosional plains are called peneplain. The wind erosional plains are called as the peneplain. Deposition plains formed by the depositions of material brought out by various agents of transportation such as river, wind, waves and glacier. The fertility and economical relevance depend greatly on the type of sediment that are laid down. Deposit plain means the sediments is brought out from some places and transmitted by the rivers, winds and glaciers movemented, and it deposit to some area and to become more fertilities and minerals deposition. So deposition plane is depend upon what material deposit on that plane is important for economical level. The brown shade represent the Himalayas mountain region and the orange shades represent the desert region in India. The yellow represent the northern plains region and the pink represent the plateau region. This is the structures of regions in India.
Any feedback, send me comment www.facebook.com Shikhar Banu Education Group, like my page and subscribe my YouTube channel and Google Plus. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe channel. Take care.